that beef stroganoff. I wasn't half bad. It was good. Blah. I got a little spit on you.
Yes,
I'm
you
sorry.
did.
Ah.
Are you all right, sir?
Where the bathroom?
It's straight down.
Where? Fire in the hall! Oh, excuse me! I'm so sorry. Do it. Oh. Come on! Hurry, get him down. Get him down! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! So loose. I got it. That's it. No, it's not.
This is the captain speaking. We've hit some turbulence. We ask that you return to your seats. And for your safety, we've turned on the fasten seatbelt sign.
I didn't know it was gonna be like that. Oh, thanks. No! Oh! Hey, I can't get out! My ass is stuck! Come on, God, please! I'm a Christian! My ass is stuck in this shit! I don't want to die like this! Stewardess!
There's a guy locked in the bathroom and he's stuck on the toilet.
Press the main release discharge valve. That should get him loose.
Oh shit.
What the fuck? Murderer!